If you're like me and you're ready for your dry, frizzy winter hair to hit the road, I have something for you. My Evolve hair mask just came in the mail today. How beautiful is she?
It's called Time Traveler, and I totally believe it because this has transformed my hair.
So I've been using Evolve's Reconstructing Masque, which you can wear overnight or just for 20 minutes.
I started using the Evolve UltraRepair Hair Mask about a month ago, and I'm not lying when I say it has life-changing results.
All you have to do is shower, put it in your hair, and then sleep. Go to sleep. Then you wake up, your hair, everything is reconstructed.
This mask has 5 times the amount of amino acids than any other mask on the market, so it delivers real visible results.
And no frizz. Thank you, Evolve.
Here are the results. Super curly, super light, shiny, and my hair smelled amazing. Love this product.
Now it feels like it's got moisture in it again. It just feels nourished. I'm so happy with it.
My hair doesn't break as much, and it's a must-have if you have color-treated hair. Highly recommend it.